In this video, I'll show you how to create a freestyle graffiti effect in CapCut PC. Let's use this video as an example. To start, add it to your timeline. Go to the Effects tab. Use the search bar to type graffiti. Browse through the available effects and preview them on your video. When you find one you like, drag and drop it into the timeline. Adjust the effect duration by dragging the edges of the effect layer to match your video length. By default, the graffiti effect covers the entire video. To make the effect more dynamic, we'll separate the subject from the background. Duplicate your video layer by copying and pasting it above the effect layer. Select this duplicated video and go to the Remove Background tool. Choose Auto Removal to keep just your subject. Once processing completes, play back your video to see the graffiti effect in action. That's how you create a freestyle graffiti effect in CapCut Pro. Thanks for watching and happy editing!